now I'm stranded at the railroad crossing. Broke down train till boxcars long. I had me a date to see my baby. If I'd known get there soon and she'll be gone. Let her go. I called her up and said I'd meet her, and I drove the one road out of town. Now I'm stranded at the railroad crossing, 'cause that dang old freight train done broke down. Now I'm stranded at the railroad crossing. Broke down train till boxcars long. I had me a date to see my baby. If I don't get there soon, she'll be gone. Why can't they build a bridge over the tracks or a highway that goes around? Now I wouldn't have to wait on the freight trains every time I try to drive out of this town. But now I'm stranded at the railroad crossing. Broke down train till boxcars long. I had me a date to see my baby. If I don't get there soon, then she'll be gone. Ah! I'll get out and start walking. I don't think I can make it on time, so I'll just sit here at the crossing and hope that she'll forgive this luck of mine. Because I'm stranded at the railroad crossing. Broke down train till boxcars long. And I had me a date to see my baby. If I don't get there soon, then she'll be gone.